In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create hyperlinks in Excel in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're pitching to clients, organizing your resources, or setting up an interactive database, mastering hyperlinks in your Excel sheets can significantly streamline the way you operate and present information. First things first, you'll need access to Microsoft Excel. If you don't have it installed on your machine, no worries. The process we're discussing today utilizes the free Microsoft 365 Online. So navigate to free Microsoft 365 Online, which offers Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more entirely online. Once you're on the Microsoft 365 Online page, the next step is to log in. No account yet? Follow the prompts to create one. It's straightforward. Click on Sign In and type in your email. If you're already registered, simply logging in will suffice. Then you'll be asked to enter your password. Click Next, and you should now have access to your Microsoft dashboard. Now, with access sorted, let's jump into the practical part. We will use an example to guide you through the process. Open up an existing Excel document or create a new one for this purpose. Once you have your document ready, it's time to pinpoint exactly where you want your hyperlink to live within the spreadsheet. Select a cell that you'd like to transform into a clickable hyperlink. This is where the magic starts. With your cell selected, move your cursor to the Insert tab located at the top menu bar of Excel Online. This section holds various tools to enhance your data presentation, including the option to insert hyperlinks. In the Insert toolbar, you'll notice an icon that resembles a chain link. This is the button you'll need to click on to get started with creating a hyperlink. Clicking on this icon opens a dialog box where you can input your desired link. Here you're faced with two choices. Either paste a URL directly into the field provided or link to another location within your document. Considering we're focusing on using a URL for our example, go ahead and paste the URL you wish to link to into the box. This could link to a website, a document in the cloud, a specific video, anything that's accessible online. After inputting or pasting your URL, it's time to finalize your link. Check to ensure your URL is correct. Even a small typo can lead to broken links or error messages, which can be frustrating for users. Once you're happy with the link, click on OK to embed the hyperlink within your selected cell, and there you have it. You've successfully created a hyperlink in your Excel sheet. But before we wrap up, let's run through a few extra tips that can help elevate your Excel hyperlink game. First, remember that hyperlinks in Excel aren't limited to web URLs. You can link to different places within the same document, other documents, or even email addresses. This flexibility can be incredibly useful in creating interactive and user-friendly spreadsheets. Moreover, if at any point you need to edit or remove a hyperlink, simply right-click on the link cell and choose the appropriate option from the context menu. Excel Online is intuitive, making such adjustments quick and straightforward. Lastly, while hyperlinks in Excel are a powerful tool, keep your audience in mind. Use them judiciously to enhance understanding and navigation, not overwhelm or confuse. A spreadsheet cluttered with links can be as challenging to navigate as one with none. So take a moment to experiment with inserting hyperlinks into your Excel documents. With a bit of practice, you'll find they can significantly augment the functionality and professionalism of your spreadsheets, making your data not just informative, but interactive. Thank you for joining me today to explore how to create hyperlinks in Excel. Whether you're working on a project, organizing a list of resources, or even crafting an interactive report, the ability to integrate web links directly into your Excel sheets opens up a myriad of possibilities. Dive in, give it a try, and see just how much more